Good afternoon, traders. I just woke up again. I was tired. Man, look at this market, eh? It's just insane, man. And because it moves in bigger distances, it's like it flows differently. You know? Like each blue dotted line, well, it's easier to look at the green ones, is from green line to green line is 100 ticks, 100 points. So we got from down here 100, 200, 300, 4, 5, 6, 7, 800. And then up here, and it just clipped up there, over here, 900 points it went back up. It's just crazy. What a game, man. What a game. They take everybody down the sewer for a few days, and then they take everybody for a flight to the moon. I wasn't even looking at the NASDAQ today because it's just too violent. It's too volatile violent. That's what it is. It's like, I can't fucking trade that. It's like, you know, it's moving like 100 points every like couple of minutes. You know, I just can't do it. I can't trade it. So I don't even see, there's no divergence in here. A low and a lower low right here because this is too deep. The only thing you can kind of trade is, you know, like waiting for the 5 to be above the 7, you know, and then you get long by a dip somewhere, you know. But it's insane. Anybody who is short in here, whether you were short or long in here, you got fucking creamed. You got killed. Yeah. And then, you know, and then it rallied up and we have another like double top. Right here's a double top. Didn't go anywhere and they took it up higher. Another double top. Look at it. Still going up there. Look at it. It's crazy, man. It's insane. It's like a write-off, man. That's all I have to say about the NASDAQ. Let's move on now to the S and the P, because I know there's a few trades in there because that's what I've been trading. Okay, I was long in here and I got long, and I took some in here. Yeah, it was right in here where I went and took a nap and fell asleep. So I was sleeping during all of this. So anyway, let me just show you the few trades. So we had a high and a higher high right here. And we had the lower high on here. And you would have got short right in there on this one. And then this is the S and the P, right? You would have got short. And then we had higher close, sell it, down it goes. Then we had another one, higher close, sell it, and down it goes. So that was good. And then we had a low and a lower low. I don't know, I'm thinking there was a trade here, maybe not. You can just kind of like tweak it a little bit like that. And yeah, you would have got long in here, okay? And up it went. Up it went. And that's it. Like, this is 12 o'clock right here where it changes color, the background. I don't know, you can't trade all fucking day. Come on. But look at how much it moved, man. It's just, it's crazy. Well, it's not as much on the S and the P. I just realized my indicator, I call it my whole numbers indicator. These green lines and blue dotted lines, I changed the settings, and before I would paint the 50s and the hundreds, but since this is the S&P, okay, I need numbers that, like, here's 50. Before I would paint, like, hold on. Well, here's 50. Just the whole numbers, right? Like right here's the whole number. 53. It would paint that line. But now it does it in 25s. My new adjustment to the indicator. So it marks every 25 points. Okay? Which is easier a lot to count on here on the S&P chart, because the S&P chart is like it's huge. Like when you go from like 53 to 52, you know what I mean? Down here. Like look how far it is, you know, between each line it's 25 points anyway. And they seem to respect them too. The 25s and the 75s, if you know what I mean. Okay, that's it for the S and the P. Let's pull over the MetaTrader. Let's look at these charts now. Now here's the 5-minute not S&P, NASDAQ. Let me get a little water here. Yes. Okay, not over there, Jason. It's over here. Okay, we have lower lows, a low and a lower low, right? We have it on here. You would have got in way up here. Yeah, way the fuck up there. Would have been right here, but it wouldn't have mattered. You still would have won. If you would have got long right there, which is 160 points from the bottom. And then it went up, went up to here, 200 points. So you would have got your 1-to-1 win-loss ratio right here on the 5-minute chart. Okay? Then it went up higher. And, yeah, we had higher highs. Just like that. And, I'll put that there. Wrong arrow. Wrong arrow. Somewhere you would have jumped in here and it went down like 100 points in 5 minutes right here. 83 points it went down. So you have a buy here and up it went. You would have hit your target 1-to-1. This one here, if you sold it right there, your stop would be 68 points. Did you get it? Yeah. Went down 84 points. Then we had hard to see hidden divergence right here like this. That goes there. You would have bought long here, got long right here. Went up 114 there, and up to the top it went 179 points. There you have it. So you would have done some good trades on the 5-minute. Isn't that funny? How we're just looking at the 2-minute on the NinjaTrader, and the charts were fucked up and messed up. But on this chart, okay, we're on a higher time frame. We're on the 5-minute time frame, right? And the charts look normal with the divergence, see? Because we're on a larger chart, the 5-minute, not the 2-minute, and because the moves are so much big, they're like really fucking big, right? It balanced out properly. Do you see what I mean? I hope you see what I mean. Yeah, would have been some really good trades in here. Wow. Anyway, that's a 5-minute NASDAQ. Let's now look at the S&P 5-minute. We got some railroad tracks right here. Yeah, yippers. We had that same trade, low and lower low. So this one went up 67 points. We had a couple lower close, buy it, up it goes a little bit. Lower close, buy it. Oh, no, don't do that. You don't belong there, you belong here. There. Lower close, buy it, up it goes. And then we had a high and a higher high. Hi, how are ya? Hi, how are ya? Just like that. And this divergence was sticking out at you like a sore thumb in an apple pie. Yeah, and you would have got short. We had some really good trades today here. Wow. Right here, you would have got short. Your stop is always at the swing high. 20-point stop, and it went down how much? 21 points. You would have got your 1-to-1 win-loss ratio. Yes. And we have a train tracks. I call this train tracks. Yep. Right here. Yep. And right here. Something like that. And you would have got long right there. How much did it go to the top? 39 points on the S&P. Beautiful. Look at these beautiful trades on here today. Wowza. Wowza. And I slept through it. Oh, Modsy. Okay, let's look at the Dow Jones Industrial Average now. Oh, yeah, see? Every green line is 100 points. Look. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, right down to here, 700 points from the bottom to the top, ladies and gentlemen. Oh my goodness. Talk about a daily range. Wowza, man. Wowza. Wowza. Woo. Woo, woo, wowza. Fucking wowza. Okay. No, we got no divergence from down here. But we have divergence up here. We have higher highs. You know what those higher highs mean. You know it. Look at the divergence on the OSMA. Sticking out at you like a sore thumb. And you would have got short. And it went down like 220 points. And your stop was up here. 113 points. Isn't that beautiful, eh? This place where I put the stop loss, how price doesn't come back there. It's so good, man. It's better than apple pie. It's cherry pie. That's cherry fucking pie, man, right there. Anybody here ever listen to a band called Warrant? She's my cherry pie. Dun, 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 dun. Yeah, the cherry pie song. And I think, you know what cherry pie means. Oh, fuck. There's nothing like the fucking melodic rock from the 80s, man. This fucking music today, they're fucking... Oh, I can't say anything bad. Just not good. Not good, people. The music of today, not good. Okay, there's got to be a trade in here, no? Yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah, it's a long one. It's a long one, man. Right in there like that. Oh, I'm so tired. Again. I couldn't sleep again last night. I was up all fucking night, doing a couple trades, making money, giving it back, making money, giving it back, making money, giving it back. I'm telling you, I'm not fucking shitting you. 3 fucking times I gave it back. 3 motherfucking times. But you know what happened with the last trade I did? I didn't give it back. You know what I fucking did? I fucking shut off my computer and went to sleep. That's what I fucking did. So if you ever get into one of those days where you go and you trade, you see the setup, you do the setup, you make some money, and then you sit there and you're going, oh, it's not quite enough. No, it's not quite enough. I got to make some more than that. Got to make more than that. So you dive in again and you give it back. And then you're going, fuck. And then you do it, then you find another setup and you do the trade and you make some money again, or you know, or get back some. I was in losses at one point too, and I got the fucking losses back too. Every day I do that. This is fucking radical. I seem to get caught in these little fucking squares of price moving up and down, and they're buying at the bottom of the box and they're selling at the top of the box, and it just fucks people so badly. I don't know if you know what I mean, but yeah, it's crazy. Like right here, see? They bought it up here, they took it up here, then they sold it back. Then they bought it down here, took it up, and then they sold it back. And then they bought it again up here, took it up. You see what I mean? Yin yang, yin yang, yin yang. So, and now I got a dry throat. Sorry if I just yelled at you. It's just really upsetting to get screwed in these little boxes that they create. Yeah, that's crazy. Anyway, you did good if you traded the Dow, man, the Dow. You did okay. Okay? Let's just take a quick look at the pound. Oh. Look at that double top with wicks, eh? Yeah, it's a nice trade up there. Yeah, just beautiful. Like a beautiful lady. Yes. I went down 30 pips. It was good. Looks like it's divergent over here, right? But it's not. This needs to be less on this side than this side. Okay, let's take a quick look at the euro. Oh, yeah, nothing special. Pound yen, what did it do today? Well, there's a double top, or no, maybe, well, I don't even know what I'd call that. No, it's not fucking divergence here, look. Well, this is the 15. Maybe I better look at the 5. Okay, we have a trade here. This is pound yen. We have lower lows right here. And this going up here. So anyway, I do apologize that, you know, I'm doing this video at this time again. I couldn't sleep. I don't know what's going on. I couldn't sleep. Sucks when you can't sleep. So there was 100 pips to be made on the pound yen here, right in here. And then we went up. Yeah, there's divergence up here too. Look. Higher highs, right? Gotta love those higher highs, right? You know I'm right. You know it. So, where would you got in here? Fucking thing, they just rammed it down like 70 pips, man. I don't know. I would say there's no trade here unless you jumped in right here. And then look what happened right after that. They rallied it right back up again. Took her down, rallied it right back up. See? Here's one of those boxes. See? Um, see? Up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down, see? People are buying here thinking it's going to break out, and then they take it back down. People are thinking that they're going to sell down here, and it's going to, it's going to break out, and they're going to make money, and it goes back up. They fuck with people, man, really badly. It's like trading should be outlawed. It should be against the law almost. You know what I mean? Because the game is so crooked. It's fucking crooked, man. They're always coming after you, coming after your stop, and fucking people, stealing their money. You can say, hey, it's the same thing if they got their fucking hand in your back pocket, taking your money. Wouldn't you agree? And then here we are left with, with our fucking, with our hands in our pockets playing pocket pool. Fuck's sakes. Oh, man. What a world. Okay, let's take a look at the euro yen. Oh, shit, eh? I think I need to look at the 5-minute today. Yeah. Yeah, we had some trades here. Well, we got short there. And then we have like 3 amigos. 1, 2, well, actually 4. 4 amigos. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right here. And you would have got long in here, and it would have been good. You would have made some pips. There's 60 pips right there. And then, no, there's nothing there. No. It's right here. That's where it is. Right here. We got lower lows right there. And this going up there like that. And you would have got long right in there. This is the euro yen. And it went up to the top 100 pips all the way to the top. But look what we had along the way as it was on its journey up. Let me show you. Let me show you. But shh, don't tell anybody. It's a secret. Okay? It's a secret. I got the wrong thing again, don't I? We'll just put it here. There we go. I found a home for it. Lower close, buy it, up it goes. Then we have the sell fake, and then we have a hookup. Yes, a hookup right there. So once it came back up into here, you would get long, and didn't go very far, 18 pips, and then it came down, freaked you out a little bit. But if you would have held on, it went up 74 pips to the top, okay? 74 pips. And in between there was another sell fake hookup right in here. And right in here was a lower close candle, buy it, up it goes, okay? So we had a few hookups and a few lower close candle reversals. You know what I call them. I call them hookups. And lower close. Yes. So there's the euro yen. We had a few good trades on the EJ. It was pretty good. Now let's look at oil. Oh, look at oil. It's beautiful today. Oh, it's so beautiful. You see that divergence at the bottom? The double bottoms? You see that? Whammo, man. Whammo. Look how beautiful that is there. It's fucking picture perfect, man. Picture perfect. Look at that. Look at that shit. That's good shit, man. That's good shit. Buy right in there. Up we go. Don't know if I'd buy lower close candles that way the fuck up here. I'd try the first one, of course. Well, here's the first one right here. I'd try the first one. Right there. Lower close. Buy it. Up it goes. And another one in here. Lower close. Buy it. Up it goes. Yeah. Fucking beautiful. Oh, look, we have one more trade up here. See, we have higher highs. Price coming down. You would have got in right from up there. Stop was 31 pips or points. And it went down 70 points, ladies and gentlemen. Okay? From the divergence from the top. Gotta love that. There's another divergence right here. Fuck. Here's another one right there. Boom. Right at this lower close, you would have bought it. Right there. Boom. And up it goes. It would have been a winning trade. Okay, Jason, learn how to talk again. Okay, now we're gonna look at gold. Fook, did you make some money on gold, buddy? Oh, it's tricky today. Tricky. Very, very tricky. Okay, we have lower lows right there. And right here like this. Kind of weird to look at it, but it works. It all works. And we would have got long right in here. And it went up 77 points on gold. Nice. Let's shrink it up here. Oh, look it up here. Look it up here. Rounding top. You see the rounding top? They have round bottoms and round tops. Yes, they do. So we'll put it up like that. And this one comes down like that. And you would have got short right in there at the end of the UK session. And your stop was right here at the tip of this wick. And look how close it come back up and scared the living caca out of everybody. But then it went down. And boy, did it go down. It went down 227 points on gold. Wow. See that? That's divergence. And that would have freaked people out right here. So if you got in short right here and it didn't do anything and then it started going up, oh, I bet you would jump. I would jump too, to be honest. I would fucking jump. Because the 5 crossed back up over the 7, yeah, I would have jumped off. I would have had a losing trade there. But then when it came back down again and started selling, oh, I would have sold right in there, baby. And fucking, you see the big candles? Boom, boom. See, they can't hide this from you, you know? People might think they do, but they can't. They can't hide it. See, they tricked people right up here. They made it look like there's no volume. Oh, man. What do I do? There's no volume. It's not going down. What do I do? See, they try and trick you, make you think you're like fucking Jumbo the fucking clown. Yeah, they make a fucking clown out of you and me. These fuckers. Right? So me, if I did this trade and I got out right here, well, there was a little bit of a loss. But I would wait. If I was a gold trader, I would wait and I'd wait. And then as soon as I seen the big move, the big candle move, like this candle right here, and it's starting to crash on this one, I would have jumped in somewhere in here. Okay? Remember I told you, you sell near the top, but not at the top. Because if you sell at the top, it could keep going higher and you get fucked. Okay? But this is how you tell, and it's the same thing. I probably did 3 or 4 trades like this last night on the S and the P, where I start seeing the big candles and I just fucking jump in there and go with the flow, baby. Go with the flow. That's how you got to trade. Otherwise, you're just going to, fucking lose, like on this trade, because it didn't fucking do what it was supposed to do. And then you're going to be sitting there like, frozen. Like, oh, what do I do? Look at it. It's crashing now. What do I do? What do I do? I lost on this one up here. What do I do? You got to get that money back and profit. You got to jump in with the fucking herd. This is like a whole herd of fucking goats coming at you. You got to hop on top of that goat and go, baby. Go, goat, go. See what I mean? You see what I mean. Let me show you this here. So we go like this. You can draw it to anyone as long as it's higher, right? As long as it's higher. And right here like this. Okay. And this is the last trade right here. Boom. You would have got short there. And it went down 149 points, ladies and gentlemen. And there's another little trade here. I'm not going to bother. Look, double bottom right there. See, ding. Well, I'll put it on there for you. See, double bottom right there. That's it. You would have got long in here. It went up a little bit. It's 12 o'clock then. It's time to stop trading and go make yourself a sandwich and some soup. Yeah, that's it. Okay, and then we're going to take a look at fucking Bitcoin. They're still trashing it, I think. Oh, no, it rebounded back up. Look at that. Oh, isn't that nice? That's nice of them to buy it back up, eh? Yeah, I know what that's all about. This little fucking crash and then back up it goes. Oh, I know what it is. I know what it's all about. The people who didn't buy their fucking crypto yet, they're catching up. They're catching up. They're catching up. Okay, let's take a look at XRP. Oh, and it sprung back up too, eh? XRP, that's good. I really did not want to see it break this low here and go down to like 28 cents or something stupid like that. Somewhere where it should never be. But anyway, XRP came back up. This is good. Even though I'm not worried about it, I've been in this trade for 7 years. So we'll see if in the end, oh no, even if in the end if it does go to 0, let's say, I haven't lost much. Just a little bit. Because I already took profits in the XRP a couple years ago. I had a chance to take some profits. I think that was a couple years ago. Yeah, this rally right here, and it came back down. No, it's XRP. It was this one, right? It was up here. Wasn't it 1.93 cents? I'm trying to remember where I took profits. Somewhere in here. I don't know. Fuck, I forget now. Anyway. So I'm pretty much in this XRP for free. Like, even if it goes down, it's not going to hurt me in any way. That's why I've been in this trade since December 2017. And there's no fear about being in this trade. There's no fear at all. I definitely would not trade any crypto on any broker where you're subject to margin calls. No way. You gotta buy the coins, man, if you're gonna buy some. Oh, I'm not telling you to buy or sell anything or smoke anything. I'm not a financial advisor, okay? Had to throw that in there. Holy fuck. But anyway, like my brother-in-law would say, do what you want, you'll do it anyways. It's fucking funny. Oh, I laughed when he said that to me. I used to be a bricklayer by trade. So, same with my brother-in-law, is a bricklayer by trade. And so is his son, my nephew. He's a bricklayer by trade. We're a bricklayer family, but I don't lay no more fucking bricks now. But anyway, I would always do what I wanted to do, and I wouldn't listen to him. And he'd always say, do what you want. You'll fucking do it anyway. I used to laugh. He fired me a couple times. Yeah, he fired me a couple times. But he had to hire me back. He didn't have to, but he hired me back a couple of times too, because he couldn't get bricklayers. So I think they're getting even more scarce today, the bricklayers. Okay, so anyway, once again, my name is Jason Sweezy. I'm a divergence trader, and along with my other setups, and I hope all my setups give you great value, you know, for your participation here in my channel. So anyway, if you're trading this afternoon, the power hour or whatever, in an hour and a half or so, please be careful. The markets are wild out here. They're fucking gone hog wild, man, for the last 2 days. Even Friday last week was a little crazy. But yesterday and today, oh my God. You got to be careful. Like, I won't even touch the NASDAQ. It's just too volatile. It's just, I can't trade that shit. I'll just throw my money at the fucking market. So that's why I was trading the S&P today. Anyway, have a good afternoon. Good luck and good trading.